I see a bitch with a lot of ass, then on bro, I'm looking. Like Robert Downey Jr., I got metal. Lil' bro know how to kill, but his feet can't reach the pedal. Tell the bitch I'd rather fuck. I don't really wanna slide with no fucking tutu. Boy, don't look like BB Pepper. 556 hit his temple, swear to God, this shit melt. Told my bitch I ain't been up in the crib, cause we been out here stepping. Nigga, only time I pass the ball is when I fucking check time. You can check my YouTube, I'm still getting checks.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today I'm back with another banger video. So look, y'all keep coming as the triggers giveaway still going away. Yes, if you watched the video, I said 90K. So when you see my channel Rock Tactical say 90K, then ask. See what I'm saying? So boom. But once we get to like 89.5, I'm gonna get everything situated. So as soon as we hit 90K, boom. But today we talking about my super safe. Well, I built another super safe, right? I got two super safes now. But one thing, okay? All my parts haven't came yet, right? So I'm gonna be showing you guys this my super safe that's already built. But this lower is actually for this 3 in the Blackout build. Okay. Now I'm gonna be running all my builds on super safe, 5-inch, 5.56, 5-inch, 7.62, and my 8-inch 3 in the Blackout on super safe. I might run some of my bigger builds. Who knows? But now you haven't seen this 800 Blackout, this 300 Blackout build in a long time. This 8-inch 3 in the Blackout build, you ain't seen it in a long time. Be like, what? I would, I'll be doing a 5-inch content, and it just, I don't know, it never had a problem. Every time I shoot it shoots. It just, a reliable build. Now, this is also going to be a Kung Fu grip review. We got the Kung Fu grip. I'm trying to get that to focus. We got the Kung Fu grips, man, from Draco. Draco presents Kung Fu grips. This is what it look like. And then we got the hand stop at the front. Then they came with a plug. But first off, I like this packaging, man. I don't know if y'all can really get a good look at the camera, like tripping right now. All right, so boom. Let's see if it focus now. Kung Fu grip. Y'all see the? All right, boom. There you go. Had it in the wrong mode. Y'all see the Kung Fu grip. This packaging amazing. I like the packaging. This is what the grip look like. Y'all know I rock with the FDE, and it got some black in it. So boom, let's show y'all the build. Boom, 8-inch 300 Blackout. Now, YouTube, come on now. Y'all know I'm a pro at this. I'm a professional. Gun is clear. Gun is clear, as you see. Super safe, motherfucker. Now, first we're gonna talk about the Draco Kung Fu grip. This is what it looks like. Got amazing texturing on it. Can't lie. Only thing I can say, it feels kind of weird in hand, cause it's like it feels backwards. I know it sounds crazy. It feels like this is supposed to be right here. Like this, just like straight. And then I don't know, it feels weird, but it feels good at the same time. It's like a good weird. It's like, something new. Something you haven't seen. So, this is the Tiger Claw. Tiger Claw grip and lock. Then we got the Kung Fu grip, and then it came with this plug. This plug is kind of hard to get out, but basically, so you won't just have a big opening in the bottom. Came with this little grip plug. Slides right in. Give it a little get it all the way in there. So that's straight. You can put like some batteries in there, a firing pin. I tell you, a firing pin will fit. And me, I'm taking extra firing pins everywhere after I broke a firing pin. It's the first time ever happened. But yeah, this Kung Fu grip, like I say, it's crazy in hand. But this grip feels crazy, but it feels amazing. It feels like I can control the gun a lot more. But it also just feels awkward because it's hard to explain it. They are in the safe. But, if you got like the standard A2 grip or the mag pull grip, it's like a just full black grip. Ain't no grooves or anything. This groove, it makes a difference. Don't get me wrong. I like it. It just feels so weird. Now, Tiger Claw. I love this Tiger Claw. Oh my God, this Tiger Claw is amazing. Cause it's so you can either hold it like this, you know, or shoulder, you know. Boom. But holding it like this is what it is. Feels comfortable. Or you hold it like this. You know, get your hands set all in there, wrap that rail, go on them. You feel me? So that's nice. I like this tiger. This Draco Tiger Claw. Whenever the freaking camera focuses. This is nice. It's like a little, it's not the, you know, the foregrip that's illegal on the AR pistols because it's not like all the way 90 degrees. So this is completely legal on AR pistols. Completely legal. And it's very sturdy. Like, it's very sturdy. Can't even pull that motherfucker off. See what I'm saying? Now, you see these blue pins? That's because it's not for this build. This is for a different build. Like I say, I'm really just showcasing this on this lower. Because all the other builds ain't lower. Y'all know this is my 7.62 lower. You feel me? This is my micro 7.62 5-inch super safe lower. But I got two super safes now. So this is what that 300 Blackout gonna look like with the super safe. I don't want to blind y'all. I don't blind y'all too much. We got the flashlight. Now, about this flashlight. We'll have to change it just because I don't like when the flashlight, like, you can still get a good, clear picture. But as you see, flashlight's reflecting. So, I'm going to slide that up a little more and see will it still reflect. If it does, just going to put this on another build and grab a, you know, better light. Brace, this brace will be going on this build just because it's FDE and it's matching the FDE thing. A black brace will be going on the binary, on the super safe 7.62. We'll be putting a black brace on here. Now this crazy. I like, you know, we got the Gideon Advocate, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, we got the Gideon Advocate up top. 300 Blackout. Reach out to tap something. 300 Blackout. Reach out to tap something. So let me tell you guys something. You know what I figured out? I'm an idiot. Why you're an idiot? I'm left eye dominant. I'm ambidextrous, okay? I write with my left hand, but I dribble a ball, drive, do everything else with my right hand. But I write with my left hand. But I'm left eye dominant. And I was always shooting with my, till I figured out I was left eye dominant. The guy at the gun range helped me figure it out. Like, man, you sure you're not left eye dominant? So, I'm going to start shooting my left hand more. And I'm also going to start bringing this out more. It's got 1,000 rounds of ammo. We finna abuse her in super safe. This is the PSA 8-inch Marauder. Just want to show y'all, put a super safe in there. Comment down below how you like the build, bro. This 8-inch 300 Blackout, so I don't want to hear nothing about ballistics. Will tap your fucking nugget. See what I'm saying? This will tap your nugget. Your nugget 300 Blackout. Y'all can make them jokes on the 5.56. Y'all can't make them velocity jokes with the 7.62 by 39 or by 35, you ask me. 7.62 Drake hitting hard. 7.62 by 35 is hitting harder. See what I'm saying? Then it's 8-inch. So yeah, we getting you together. But Kung Fu Grip, man, from Draco. Comment down below. Code will be in the comments with a discount code for you to get the Kung Fu Grip or the Tiger Claw. I honestly recommend this Tiger Claw. I think I like the Tiger Claw more than the grip. But, like I say, I just got to get used to the grip because it's just like I say, it's something new in your hand. It's just like if you buy all Glocks and go buy a Springfield or something. I'm like, this feels weird, you know? But it's a good weird. Like, I feel like it's going to do amazing. Y'all know how I do it. I show y'all the builds before I take them to the range and get loose with them. So this just you feel me? Boom. 300 Blackie. This could possibly be one of my go-to AR pistols. It's up there. It's between this and my 10.5 I haven't showed you guys yet because the guns I really use for personal defense, I don't like showing them on the internet. You know, I don't like modding them. I don't like doing stuff to them. I don't like putting extra stuff. I just like it to be a bare gun. So if I do have to defend myself, you know, I won't be in court looking like a bad guy who put all these extra mods on guns, and you know, they just paint a messed up picture. So all my defense guns, I keep them bare, like really stock. Only thing I do is put rounds to them, and I don't really like showing them off. Like the guns I show you guys will never be used in a defense situation ever. It just won't. I don't really leave the house with them. You know, that's why I be trying to tell you guys these are YouTube guns. I built these guns to make money on YouTube, and cause this is like the most thing this is like what I enjoy most. Besides being with my daughter, spending time with my family, being with guns or being in the gun range or doing something with guns will have my time 24/7. But this is the 8-inch super safe build. The brace on there. I'm putting braces on everything, bro. Now that I'm getting all these binary and FRT triggers, braces is going on everything. The Draco, I got a binary and AK Flex in there, and shooting that is crazy. So brace will be coming soon. Now, y'all see this build, got the flash can, Gideon Omega, KK Shockwave, Kung Fu grip, Tiger Claw grip from Die Free Co. Like I said, if you want one, code will be in the description. Go get you a Kung Fu grip. Look like some samurai, you feel me? Like, logo. The grip is amazing. Like I say, I feel like I can really like one hand this. Just because of the grip is so good, like controls the whole gun. You'll see if you get one. I hope you get one. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It is your boy Re-Rock Tactical.